Alright, quick update on Gala Games. So it looks like we've recently just broken back above this 786 fib retracement that we've had our eyes on for quite a while now. So if you've been watching my videos, I've been talking about this big M pattern that we broke down from on Gala Games, and we had a massive price target from the neckline all the way down here at a 43% drop. We came down approximately 30%, and we've started to head up. Now in the very short term, like I said, we've broken above the 786, but I personally want to see a bigger push above the 786. My next target, for me to kind of be somewhat convinced that this was the bottom for Gala Games, I want to see a break above this level here. Now this level is literally, it's not a fib target or anything, it is simply the neckline of this M pattern. This M pattern was very big and brutal. We broke massively down, came back and back tested it before falling down again. So in my opinion, we could still come up, backtest it at the 27.5 cent region, and then start falling off the table again. Now I don't have that down as my most likely scenario. I even think it's more likely that we are going to break above this this red box here at 27.5, simply because if you look at all the altcoin space, the altcoins are exploding. If we come over to the total crypto market cap, it has broken out of the 618 fib retracement that we've had our eyes on for literally forever now. So we're above 1.84 trillion on the total crypto market cap. Bitcoin has finally started picking up momentum and breaking to the upside. So I think this is going to give a lot of altcoins like Gala Games a lot of room to move to the upside once they do start, bottoming out and putting in macro market signals that they are going to be breaking out bullish. So for me, that signal comes in at 27.5. I won't be FOMOing in or buying until we do break 27.5. I would be looking for something like this to play out, a break above, and then I would be buying on a retest before we start going up. That is basically all I see for Gala Games. I mean, I do think we need to see some more volume come in, because there is no volume to confirm that this was the bottom, which is slightly worrying. So like I said, I am just being slightly conservative on this one. I am just waiting on the sidelines until we break this this neckline here, 27.5. Once we're above 27.5, backtest it and start going off to the races, I'd be a lot more comfortable entering a long on Gala Games. Now also, it seems like we finally got the 200-day moving average. So it must have been a while since I last covered this, because I don't remember the 200-day even being around when I made my last video. Obviously the 200-day incorporates the last 200 days worth of price action data, so it's only just started popping around. This probably means Gala's been trading on KuCoin for what, 214 days, if this is 2 weeks or so. So yeah, I think hopping above this 200-day is going to be a good sign, even though it has only been around for the past 14 days. So we don't necessarily know if Gala Games even respects the 200-day, but anything like this, push above the 200-day, I'm not too worried about the 200-day really. I'm really looking for this 275 to break. Once that breaks, I'd be longing, and my first take profit target would probably be the 618, keeping it nice and simple with this big macro fib. So not to overcomplicate things, I think that would be a nice level to take profit. Yeah, so that from the breakout, from the retest, would be a 33.65% trade. Obviously from now that is 47%, but like I said, I will not be buying down here, so I won't be in the trade down here. What I'd need to see is a break above here, a retest, and then a push up. And like I said, once that does happen, if it does happen, I'd have a 33.65% trade on my hands. So that is what I'm looking for Gala Games. If you are in Gala, best of luck. Keep an eye on the volume. A little bit of volume really needs to come in. Once we break this neckline, I think we could have a nice rally in the coming days or weeks. So that's all I see for Gala Games. Best of luck to you once again. None of this is financial advice, it's just my own opinion on the market. And yeah, cowboy out. Peace.